Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you are doing good and keeping safe. So as I told you all, like yesterday I had gone to this Health and Glow stores here and I did pick up a few things from there. Also you guys wanted me to show you all like what all I picked up. So I thought of doing a quick mini haul video. So the first product that I picked up is this one from Revlon. It's a Color Stay foundation. This is the foundation that I use, and my shade is 310 Warm Golden. I love using this foundation because this comes with a 24 hours wear and also SPF 50. The cost of this foundation is 1285. Okay. The second product that I picked up is from Maybelline. It's a Instant Age Rewind Eraser. It's a concealer basically, and it helps in hiding the under eyes or any kind of acne scar marks. So this is a product that I love using it, and the cost of this product is 620. The third product that I picked up is from Faces Canada. It's an illuminator, and I was actually looking for a cream based illuminator, so this is the one, and the price of this is $6.99. The fourth product that I picked up is from Biotique. It's a lip balm, and like the people who know me, they know that how much I love lip balms, and this is like one of my favorite brands lip balm. It's a whitening lip balm, and it actually lightens and evens out your lip tones, any kind of darkening or any kind of pigmentation on your lips. It actually helps in lightening all that. So and the price of this lip balm is $175. Then I picked up a nail paint, this one again from Faces Canada. It's a lavender shade. I was actually looking for a lavender shade, and then I found this one, and I've actually applied it also on my nails, so I love it. The price of this nail paint is $109. And along with this I bought a remover from Health and Glow. I mean, I really like using this nail polish remover because it's got that vitamin E in it, and I really find it very good because in one stroke, like, you can remove the whole nail paint. Very good nail polish remover. And along with these I got these Garnier sheet masks. I love using sheet masks. So and also they had an offer going on this, like if you buy 2 you get 1 mask free, and the complete kit I got it for 198 rupees, so which I felt it was a good deal. And yeah, now since I bought this Maybelline concealer, the Instant Age Rewind Eraser, along with this they gave me this complimentary foundation brush. I was actually looking for something like this kind of a brush. You can see the bristles are so soft and so nice, and very compact and good to hold. So this is a brush which I got it, and also the price of this brush, like if you happen to go and buy, then the price of this brush is $4.99, but then I got this free just because I bought this, so good shopping I had. Like I was pretty happy with all my stuff which I bought. So these are the things which I picked up, and I hope you found this video useful, and do let me know in the comments like which product you like the most, or which you're gonna buy and give it a try. So bye.